Welcome friends. In this video I am going to tell about how functions are written boolean. Okay, how functions are written boolean. So let's see through code. Before that I explain what I am going to explain in this video. You can create a function that returns a boolean value. That is the first thing we are going to see. You can execute the code based on the boolean answer of a function. How it is going to be work? Let's see the code. Then also has a built-in functions that is called return a boolean value. Just like there are so many functions which are generally main perspective to return true or false. That is, there is also one function I am going to show you, that is instance. Okay, that is instance, which can be used to determine if an object is returned a certain data type. Okay, how it is going to be work? Let's see. So suppose there is a function def my function. Okay, and here return true. Okay, then print calling my function, and it is returns you or print you true. Okay, and if you go for the boolean value also, it is return the true. So this is the way how functions return the boolean value. Then another, if my function, then print within bracket yes, then else, not elif, else print no, yeah, false. No, that is a no, it's a sense. It's a yes. How? Because my function returns the true. So when you added this in a condition, okay, the if only returns and checks only true. Here not, here false are not going to be accepted here. Okay, that's why. So if getting the function return as a true and print the statement yes. If function is returns here false, then in this sense here the no is going to be executed, else part is going to be executed. Okay, so this is the way how functions can return a boolean value. And last one, that is a is instance. So let's see how is instance function is written. Suppose x equal to 12, then print is instance x, then there is a int value, that is integer. Okay, so how it is going to be written here? True or false? It's return you true. It is return you the true. And if there is a, we added here float. Here we added the float, but x is the integer. So how it is going to return? That is a false. And if you added here 12.5, 12.9, sorry. So here see what is going to be written. It's written a true. That's all. How is each instance functions returns according to your type of the object. It's a true, then it is true. If it is false, then false. If their mapping is going on. So here x is the float, then we have to define here float, then it is returns you true. If there is an integer and the data which will be defined here, that is a in integer float form, then it is going to be return you, that's a false. So this is the sense or cases where we are generally using the function can return the boolean value. Fine, the functions can return the boolean value. That's all. If you have any doubt, go through the comment box, type there. Please like this video and share this video, and click on the bell icon. When I am uploading future videos, you will get the notifications. And don't forget to click on the subscribe button. When I am uploading any videos, you also get the notifications. Thank you.